To add a completely new page to our website, we first want to open our website in a new tab. On our website, whenever we're logged into our WordPress account, we'll be able to see the menu bar up here at the top. Let's go to New and click on Page to add a new page to our website. Then we can name this page and click Publish. Now to edit this new page, let's click on Edit with Elementor. Here we can start building this page by dragging in content from the left side menu. Or we can also import a template from the template library. Let's publish our changes and preview our new page. Now to add this new page to our navigation menu, let's click on Customize. Then go to Menus, Main Menu. And here under Add Items, we can add our new page to the navigation menu.